The rise of electric cars marks one of the most significant shifts in the automobile industry in the past century. With increased awareness of environmental concerns and a growing need to reduce emissions, electric vehicles, EVs, are transforming the way we think about transportation. By 2025, electric cars are expected to dominate the roads, offering an eco-friendly alternative to traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. In this video, we will explore the rise of electric cars, their environmental benefits, and how technological advancements will shape the future of transportation. An electric car is a vehicle that operates on electricity, powered by batteries instead of an internal combustion engine. These vehicles use electric motors to propel the car, making them a cleaner, more sustainable alternative to traditional gasoline vehicles. Key components of electric cars include battery pack, the heart of the electric vehicle, storing the energy required to power the motor. Electric motor, an efficient mechanism that converts electrical energy into mechanical power driving the vehicle. Charging port allows the car to be plugged in and recharged via standard electric outlets or charging stations. Electric cars are revolutionizing the automobile industry by offering a sustainable and cost-effective alternative to gasoline-powered vehicles. Electric cars offer a wide range of benefits that make them appealing to both consumers and environmental advocates. Zero emissions. Unlike gasoline vehicles, electric cars produce no tailpipe emissions, helping reduce the carbon footprint and contributing to better air quality. Lower operating costs. Charging an electric car is significantly cheaper than refueling a gasoline-powered car, and electric cars require less maintenance since they have fewer moving parts. Improved performance. Electric vehicles offer instant torque, providing smooth acceleration and enhanced driving experience. With fewer moving parts, lower emissions, and cheaper fuel costs, electric cars provide a sustainable and economically viable solution for modern transportation. The environmental impact of electric cars cannot be overstated. They contribute significantly to reducing air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions, which are leading contributors to global warming. Key environmental benefits include reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. By running entirely on electricity, electric cars do not emit harmful gases like CO2, helping to mitigate climate change. Energy efficiency. Electric motors are far more energy efficient than gasoline engines, converting more of the energy into motion, which reduces overall energy consumption. Renewable energy integration. Electric cars can be powered by renewable energy sources like solar and wind, further reducing their environmental footprint. Electric cars help fight climate change, reduce pollution, and make sustainable energy more accessible for the future. By 2025, electric cars will no longer be a niche market, but will become a mainstream option for drivers worldwide. Several factors are driving this shift, including government incentives. Many governments are offering subsidies, tax credits, and other incentives to encourage consumers to purchase electric vehicles. Improved charging infrastructure. The growing availability of public charging stations makes owning an electric car more convenient than ever before. Affordability. As battery technology improves and production costs decrease, the price of electric cars is expected to drop, making them more accessible to a wider range of consumers. In 2025, electric cars will be a common sight on roads across the globe, providing eco-friendly transportation solutions for people of all budgets. One of the key challenges facing electric vehicles is the availability of charging stations. However, the charging infrastructure is rapidly expanding, making it easier for drivers to charge their electric cars. Fast charging. Advances in fast charging technology are allowing electric vehicles to be charged in as little as 30 minutes, significantly reducing downtime. Home charging. Many electric car owners can install home charging stations, allowing them to charge their vehicles overnight and start each day with a full battery. Public charging networks. Major cities are building extensive networks of public charging stations, ensuring that electric car owners have access to charging points on the go. As charging stations become more widely available, owning an electric car will be as easy as driving a traditional gasoline-powered car. While electric cars offer numerous benefits, there are still some challenges to overcome. Range anxiety. Although the range of electric vehicles has improved, drivers may still worry about running out of battery on longer trips. Battery life and cost. While battery technology has advanced, the high cost of batteries remains a barrier for some consumers. Limited charging locations. In rural areas, charging infrastructure is still limited, making it difficult for electric car owners to find charging stations. While these challenges exist, the electric car industry is actively working to improve battery technology, charging infrastructure, and consumer awareness. Several automakers are leading the charge in producing cutting-edge electric vehicles. Here are some of the top models to look out for in 2025. Tesla Model 3. With impressive range, sleek design, and advanced autopilot features, the Model 3 continues to be one of the most popular electric vehicles on the market. Ford Mustang Mach-E, a high-performance electric SUV that combines style, power, and sustainability. Rivian R1T, an all-electric pickup truck that offers off-road capabilities, towing capacity, and a long-range battery. Chevrolet Bolt EV, a more affordable option that provides a decent range and advanced features at a competitive price. In 2025, consumers will have a wide variety of electric car options to choose from, making it easier than ever to find the perfect electric vehicle. Looking ahead to 2025 and beyond, the electric car industry will continue to evolve. Autonomous vehicles. Electric cars will be equipped with self-driving technology, making transportation even safer and more efficient. Vehicle-to-grid, V2G. Future electric cars will be able to send energy back to the grid, helping to stabilize the energy supply and provide extra energy during peak demand. Shared mobility. Electric vehicles will be a core part of ride-sharing and shared mobility services, reducing the need for private car ownership and further reducing emissions. The future of transportation is electric, autonomous, and connected, and by 2025, electric cars will lead the way in a greener and more innovative future. In conclusion, the future of electric cars is bright. With increased affordability, widespread charging infrastructure, and continuous technological advancements, electric cars will become the dominant choice for transportation in 2025. They will help combat climate change, improve air quality, and reduce oil dependency. By choosing electric, we are investing in a sustainable, green, and efficient future. Title: The automobile industry is undergoing one of the most in its history. As and take center stage in global discussions, the electric car has emerged as a... By 2025, electric vehicles, EVs, will no longer be just a product but will have become the force in the transportation world. In this video, we will explore how are changing the way we drive, they offer, and that will propel them into mainstream adoption. Electric cars are powered entirely by stored-in rechargeable. Unlike traditional vehicles that run on or electric cars rely on to drive the wheels, here's a breakdown of the key features of electric cars. This motor generates power to drive the car, offering and electric vehicles EVs provide a clean, quiet, and efficient way to travel, offering a sustainable alternative to the traditional car. The car stores electrical energy in its battery. This battery powers the electric motor. Many electric cars use regenerative braking where energy normally lost during braking is captured and stored back in the battery. One of electric cars is there. Here's how they contribute to a cleaner world. As electricity production moves towards, the carbon footprint of electric cars decreases even further. Electric vehicles are a key part of the global movement to reduce and combat. With fewer parts to maintain, electric cars have lower compared to gasoline-powered vehicles. Electric cars are incredibly quiet, providing electric cars are not only, but they also offer and driving experience compared to traditional cars. Many EV owners install at home, allowing them to charge their car overnight. Companies like and have developed that allow electric cars to charge of their battery in just By 2025, several automakers will have electric car models in their lineups. Some of the most exciting electric vehicles include 1. Performance with range, 250-300 miles per charge. Features, spacious SUV design with and 3. Performance, off-road capabilities and range, 259 miles per charge. Features, great value with and While electric cars have many benefits, there are still some that need to be overcome. Although battery technology is improving, the A battery can still be high. Despite these challenges, the continues to evolve rapidly, and solutions to these issues are on the horizon. By 2025, electric cars will become more common, making transportation safer and more efficient. Manufacturers will continue to invest in, and will grow, helping to minimize waste and environmental impact. In conclusion, are not just the future, they are the. With improved, lower prices and growing, electric cars will become the dominant form of transportation by 2025. They offer and more way to travel, helping to tackle and. As the industry continues to evolve, electric cars will become a part of our driving us towards a more Would you like to explore any specific or further? Electric cars are not just a trend. They are a movement towards cleaner, more efficient, and more sustainable transportation for the planet.